So guys, today I will talk about a bullion stitch. This is how it looks. So it's a stitch that is used in decorative technique, that is worked by twisting a thread around the needle several times before inserting the needle into the cloth. Short bullion stitches are sometimes called as bullion knots. So let's see how this works. So you have to pierce your needle through this point and then come at the center of your draft and then again pierce the needle through the point at its end only, and you have to twist your thread at least 10 times around the needle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Keep this thread tight in place and pull the needle through these twists. Pull the thread up, and come at the midpoint of the draft. Without distorting the twists. Secure it at the back. See this. This is how it is made. Again, pierce your needle through the middle, or you can, if you have just entered through the middle and then come at this place and then pierce your needle through the starting point, twist your thread, and pull the needle up. And then secure it at the back. So with this I have completely finished with the bullion stitch. This is how it will look. It can be made double-stranded also, but today I have shown you the single knot only. I have secured it at the back. And this is how it looks.